drop dead gorgeous in that fancy downtown dress. But if I'm being honest, that ain't even close to your best.